currently in a really bad mood because I woke up and I couldn't put the blinds up and I couldn't turn on any lights and I can't feed the dog because we have no electricity. I wouldn't be as annoyed if I knew about it, you know, I would just plan my day differently, but I have deadlines chasing me, so I don't know what to do. I was told we'll be without electricity until 3 p.m. They informed us, they told everyone in my town that we'll be without electricity. You know how? On the freaking radio. Who listens to the radio these days? I'm not 80. Like, why can't you just slip a little note in my mailbox or like send me an email? It's 2018. I'm gonna get dressed now, take Benji for a walk, try to feed him something even though he won't eat because everything is cold because I can't warm it up, and then I'm gonna go to the store and then we'll see. Probably gonna have to go to my dad's office to work from there if they have electricity and internet, because it is possible that they don't as well because it's very near my house. I got my groceries and now I'm off to the office. I'm taking Benji with me. Are you coming to the office with me? Yes, you are. Странку зі спанчку. Рематимона з прихода. Yeah. Oh, yes, gotta stretch those legs. I love you. So cute. What you doing? What you doing? Pretty grandma. If my sister was home alone all weekend, she would be throwing a party right now. Me, on the other hand, cheesy romantic Christmas movies all day long, baby. I'm experimenting in the kitchen today. I'm gonna make a low-carb moussaka for dinner. I've never done it before, so I have no idea if it's gonna turn out alright, but I might as well show you the process in case it does turn out great. First, I diced one eggplant and fried it on a little bit of oil, and now I'm gonna add one chopped onion. Then I'm also popping in two, oh, this is not gonna go well if I do it with one hand. I just put in 2 chopped cloves of garlic. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of cinnamon. Whew, that was a little bit too much of cinnamon. Thank God I like it. I've just put in some ground meat and I'll fry it until it's cooked. And in the pan it says that I need to put in 60 grams of cream cheese, 100 milliliters of cooking cream, 1 pressed garlic clove, a little bit of salt, and 50 grams of shredded cheese, and I'll save 50 grams to sprinkle it on top. These are the ingredients for 3 servings, by the way. I just put the meat mixture inside the oven dish. Now I'm gonna pour this cream sauce over it and also sprinkle some cheese on top. My oven is preheated, so I'm gonna pop this inside now for about 20 minutes. Here's the finished product. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it just looks like cheese at the moment. Just took a bite, and this is definitely Sandra approved. It tastes really nice. And the cinnamon and like all the spices add a really interesting twist without, you know, being overwhelming. It's Bridget Jones! Literally day made. I love these movies. This will probably be my life in like 5 years time. Well, hello there again. Today is Wednesday. I'm in Ljubljana, as you can probably tell, or not, I don't know. I'm here till Saturday because I have a whole bunch of meetings and a whole bunch of catch-ups with friends. I haven't vlogged since the weekend because, to be quite honest, I've had insane 3 days. Everything that did go wrong. It was that kind of like a Mercury in retrograde situation going on. It started with me dropping an avocado toast on the floor on Monday morning, and it all went downhill from there. Without going into details, shit happened and I was like really reconsidering if the decision to move back to Slovenia was the right one. The bureaucracy in Slovenia is... I don't have any nice words to say, so I'm just gonna leave it here. It's like Slovenia is purposely trying to prevent small businesses here to succeed. The small businesses that play it fair always get the short end of the stick, and it's just ridiculous. I'm off for a meeting now, and then after the meeting, if it all works out, I'm gonna be meeting with Tamara and Natalia from the YouTube channel called Our Way is Every Day. I haven't met them yet, but we've been like following each other for years, and it will be great to hopefully finally meet them in real life. My sister was not born to be a maid. She said that after she had to put her coat away, so... Anyway, I'm back at the flat now. I did meet up with Tamara and Natalia. It was great. I had a proper evening of laughing. And I also met up another girl whose name is Sandra, like mine. We actually went to the pizzeria. We wanted to go with Sofia the last time I vlogged. It's called 526K. Ooh. Maybe I should start that again? I'm sorry, but you got fogged up. Yeah, we went to the restaurant called 526 kg. I don't know what kg stands for. Is it like kilograms? I feel like that's a really weird name. Like,
because you gain that much when you eat it.
Yeah, you gain that much when you eat there. I had pizza because everyone says it's amazing, and I totally agree. The pizza was really good. The dough was really good. The cheese. I had it with prosciutto, and you know how you usually get like really shitty prosciutto, like you wouldn't even call it prosciutto on pizza? This one was like the real deal. It was so good, so I would definitely recommend you to go there if you are in Ljubljana. But yeah, Tamara and Natalia also gave me a little present because they actually had a meetup beforehand. I couldn't go to the meetup because I had a meeting, but at the meetup they gave out presents to everyone that showed up. So let's take a look what's inside. I'm gonna pretend I don't know what's inside, but I've already seen it because Sandra was opening the present at the restaurant. But we have clay facial mask from Clay Ritual.
I'm a cameraman zooming in.
Oh, don't zoom in.
Show the product.
Here it is.
Wait. I've seen this.
Really? I haven't.
It's like all natural, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Then we have Happy Cacao Mix from Malinza, which I've heard a lot about. I haven't tried it. But
Same.
Then we also got this from Lici Lapicaci, a lipstick. I think this is Makeup Revolution, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Let's see how it looks like. I think it's a nude one. I'm not sure if it's gonna suit me because I feel like it's a little bit too light for me, but we'll test it out. This is also from Makeup Revolution. It's a strobe highlighter in Flash. What is so funny?
I think you're gonna hate the way I'm filming this.
Oh shit. Did you go like Shane Dawson on me?
Yeah, but it's hard because the zoom isn't that fast.
Yeah, because it's not a DSLR, stupid.
So the transitions are not like Andrew Siwiski dramatic.
So my sister, when I was coming home, she messaged me. It's way past your bedtime. What's WYA?
Where are you at?
Oh. Hashtag gold. I said, coming home, mom. And then she said, well, you have to let me know next time. This was the last time you... How do you translate smarka?
It's like, you spoiled little child, girl.
Yeah, something like that. And then she said that I'll have to do an alcohol test when I come home. Because that's what my sister had to do when she came home from parties. That's because she got like drunk. She was underage. A lot. I, on the other hand, Angel. I forgot to show you one thing that was also in the bag. It's a Christmas tea called Snow Kiss, and it's from a tea shop called Chai. Katya, what are you doing? I mean... You good? All good?
No, I'm stressed.
She said I'm distracting her from studying. I really am not. You see? An alcoholic. What is this? What is it?
Cocoa rum.
Okay.
It tastes like Raffaello.
Okay, give me that then.
Wait, now I don't know where the cap went.
Probably under the sofa again.
Thanks, Flabby.
Has anyone else watched Miley Cyrus? Hannah Montana?
Did you see that her house burned down?
Yeah,
That's bad.
it's really bad.
But I mean, she has the money.
I think it's under the sofa.
How? You should let me rewatch the tape.
Oh, here!
Oh my god!
It was on the table. Oh, I didn't see it before.
I'm gonna try it now.
No, of course not. I need to work tomorrow.
Spirit of the Seychelles, and it's the prettiest bottle ever.
Yeah, the bottle is really pretty. I'm gonna steal it and use it for like Instagrams. Just joking. Not.
Yeah, you better. What is this?
Lovely sleepers that I got, but not for you, for your boyfriend.
Well, everything that's his is mine.
True. Oh, okay. Bye! Who is that? Oh god. Oh bloody hell. Okay, bye! I'm just editing this video and I'm sorry. I don't know what that was, but this is how it is if my sister and I are in the same room. So you're welcome. I just wanted to say bye because the video is getting way too long again. So I'm gonna finish it up and put this weekend's happenings in another vlog that I'm gonna put up on Wednesday. So you're getting 2 vlogs this week. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this super random vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.